Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Since 40 days we have been so much struggling. This was very hard. Leave us like, in one room. I mean, it's like a lock inside. It was very tough. And sometimes it was really hard to get something, no breads. But it is not that much as much as in Delhi, some other places. Since 10-15 days much better. Open everything in Goa. It's very good. So everything is open, so we are very peaceful there and it was okay. But now we prepare to go home, so thankful our government.
From Film Railway Station with 1055 passengers. This includes most of them from North Goa and some from South Goa as well. Initially we contacted the association contacted us, the Jammu Kashmir association contacted us and wanted that such facility be created so that most of them who are here wanted to go back to Jammu and Kashmir region.
की नौकरी है यहाँ पे या
नहीं, मैं काम करता हूँ यहाँ पे।
यहाँ पे करते हो? अभी टिकी है नौकरी की?
हाँ, टिकी है नौकरी।
हाँ ना? वापस आने का कुछ?
अब जब अगर ओपन होता है तो उसके बाद आएंगे
ना? कहाँ पे है आपका बिजनेस?
हमारा बगमालू में।
बगमालू में दुकान है आपका?
हाँ, शॉप है, ज्वेलरी शॉप।
फिर आगे चलाने के बारे में क्या प्लान है आपका?
हम तो आना चाहते हैं, अगर हालात सही रहा तो आएंगे इंशाल्लाह।
अच्छा, लेकिन क्या बोल रहे हैं कि देर लगने वाली है, आप क्या मतलब?
हम भी वेट करेंगे, उसके अलावा तो हमारा चारा नहीं है।
लेकिन आपने अपना दुकान होल्ड करके रखा है?
हाँ, वो होल्ड रखा है, छोड़ा नहीं। हम गोवा में बहुत से थे लेकिन हमारा फैमिली उधर है, उस वजह से हम मजबूर हो गए।
मजगती बेंगलोराक सान 46 गोंयकारांक हाडले.
Or you are employed there in Bangalore?
I was employed, but I got stuck because of the lockdown.
Now you have your job retained or?
No. I had left the job way before.
Okay.
But I couldn't. I did not leave in time, so then I got stuck there because of the lockdown.
तुमका सोडटावन बागल मागीर थंय सकाळी 8 म्हयने थंयच रावले आमकां.
ओके, पण राती तुमकां जेवण बी
ना, काय ना.
भुरग्याक कितें दिलें?
भुरग्याक सुद्दां काय ना.
आम्ही काय खाऊच ना, आम्ही किती बिस्किट असले त्यात खाल्ले स्नॅक्स.
Where they will be kept in government facility?
Some of the from South Goa they will keep in Margaon Residency and Kolwa Residency, then Ponda Residency, Ponda Taluka, and Kalangut they will North Goa they will reach in Diput and Kalangut Residency.
Bureau Report Prudent.